There's an order block waiting there inside here because I don't have those time frames. Even on M2, maybe there's something here. That's what I know for sure. So always double check with those. If you're using MT5, it's good. Trading View to analyze, it's good because they have all the time frames. So you are breaking down from H1, from H4 to H2, H3, you are breaking down, you keep seeing them. From M1, you go deeper. It's just that I can't go deeper. But if you use Trading View, go deeper. There's 30 seconds there. I think and there's also 15 seconds. You use the order block you see there. Okay. So that's that. And then this one, let's see. And even on this high time frame, it didn't even engulf. That's why it was playing around. But it was just a spike. But when it engulfs high, we are gone. That's what I want. May I investigate everything? Ne? I want to know why. That's how you should trade as well. If something is happening and it's strange to you, ask yourself why. Why is it happening? Go investigate. Can you see what's happening here? Order block. So this area to find out it's been used. Can you see now I know why the market went down and started as those ones started failing. Remember those ones that I saw? Do you remember it? Now I know why they failed. It's because this area has been used before. Because I see an order block on H1 here. Now I know why. There's a reason.
So then that means you would look into these other spikes a bit behind.
Yeah, maybe these ones, there's something. Because this one has been used before. That's why those two, I think there's two order blocks that failed here when the market came back. Now I know why. Because this area has been used before. I want the fresh ones. And then to find out that there's a fresh one just below this one. Maybe here, maybe this one, maybe that one. Don't know where the market spiked to. Maybe this one. You can see now I know why. So there's always a reason. You just have to investigate and check why. Why did the market do that? Investigate. You're going to find a reason why. You always find a reason why the market did that. See? So that's what I want. There was this time I was checking Nasdaq. I forgot when. When was it again? When I had those one-on-ones, I think. And I said it's going to go up. And it's been going up. And I said that also, if you miss this trade, there's no turning back for Nasdaq. It will be gone. It's going to create a higher high. I think it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. Can you see here? Engulfed. I go down. Nothing. I go down. I saw nothing. Oh, here is it. Can you see it? But now,
Yes. I remember that one.
Yeah, I want to get deeper. Can you see? I found something here. I must highlight this one as well. I want to get deep. I want to go to M1. Now it looks like on M1 I see nothing, but I want to work on this one, the one that I saw on M5, and I'll see what happened. Did the market come back? Did the market hit stop loss? What did the market do? Right. Look what the market did. Let's see. Market just tapped in and turned. So as soon as it looks, enter. As soon as it enters, even if it's an inch trigger, stop loss is just outside here. Okay, stop loss is just outside. But let me see. What's here? I want to know. But it did tap, but I want to know what's inside here. Why there? Just want to find out. Just want to see if I'll see something. If not, it's fine. then I'll work with what I have. So always investigate, guys. Why did that thing happen? Why did the market do this? That's how you get to see that, okay, these order blocks, they're good because you are investigating why. Oh, the reason why it failed, it touched multiple times already. You understand? So can I see, now I've investigated why that one turned there or somewhere around there. I see something here. I see something here. Let me just see if it engulfed. If not, then it's not the one. This one, it looks like it didn't engulf. It failed. So that means I had to work with something here. Maybe on smaller time frames, there's something, but it tapped inside, I enter. Because these days, the market just comes, taps, doesn't even get deep inside, and then turn. So now, currently, if I had to analyze NASDAQ, let me see where I will have my order blocks waiting. I think it's this one. Where is it now? This one. This is the only one I see. If it comes here, I'm in. I'm game. So I'll wait for it. I won't rush it, find order blocks, blah, blah. I'll wait for it to come down to this one. Then I'll trigger. And even here, I'll investigate from H4. I want to see, is there something inside here? Okay, I want to see M30. Is there an order block? Okay, I see something here. M30 has something here. So there's two. There's something here from M30 and engulfment happening here inside. Right, I see something here. So I'm interested that, okay, I'm gonna look forward on this one. But deep down, I look deeper. Oh, M30 is getting smaller, okay? So stop loss is also gonna get smaller. Let me see deep down. Do I see one? Do I see one? Nope. There's something here. But nah. Let me just see if I see some here. I see nothing, but I see something here. So I'm starting to see a lot. I see something here. I see something inside here. So I'm interested there. And inside here, hey, there's a lot here. But I wonder which one will play out. But nope. Wait, let me delete these ones. Because I'm supposed to find it inside this one here. Wait, I'm investigating something. I want to find an order block. I think I saw one on M15 as well. If it's really an order block. This one. Nah, this one is not an order block. On M30, didn't I see something? Nope. So let's work with this one. So yeah, so you see I went down straight from H4 going down. So my point of interest is here. My where I'm interested in is here. Market to come down here, tap inside, and then we are going. We are going from here inside. We are going. If this one fails, I know that okay. I have to check. Is there something here? Remember, I'm losing only 3 pips when I lose. I'm losing 5 pips when I lose. I know for a fact if the market goes my direction, I'll recover my 2 losses that I made, let's say, inside the order block. I'll recover them within 1 candlestick. It will take me 1 candlestick to recover you. And you find that even that 1 candlestick is making you 10 times more. Okay? But I want to see what's going on inside here. Inside the spike. Isn't there some engulfment going on? If there is, then I know that my last option, it will be that M5, there's nothing. M1 maybe. Here's my last option. Okay, not that one, this one. My last option. This one